In this tutorial, I will show you how to color layer in Adobe Photoshop 2026. Coloring layer help you organize your work. It makes complex project easier to manage. First, open your file in Photoshop. Go to the layer panel. On the right side, click on the layer you want to color. Right click on the layer icon. Move your mouse to color. Now, choose a color. For example, red, blue, green or yellow. Now, you can see change the color left side on the layer. The layer color appears next to the layer icon. You can color multiple layers at the same time. Hold Ctrl on Windows. Select the layer. Right click and choose the color. Now you can see change the color left side on the layer. Layer color are only for organization. They do not change your image. This is how to color layer in Adobe Photoshop 2026. That's it. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.